Hello everyone, you're welcome to Signet Fashion World. In this video, I'll be showing you how I cut this beautiful off-shoulder princess dart bustier. If you are here to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so and make sure you click the notification button, like this video, comment and share. Thank you. Now let's get started. Before I cut on the fabric, I'll be making use of this pattern paper to draw out the pattern. And this paper is already folded into two. This is the chest line. This is the bust line. This is the under bust. This is the waist. And here is the hip line, because we are cutting a blouse here. Because it is an off-shoulder blouse, I'm starting my measurement from 4.5 inches. So the first thing I'm going to do now is to mark out my bust measurement divided by 4, which is 9. And then I'll mark it here. And for the neck, I'll be making use of 5 inches. You can do more or less than that. It depends on your choice. I'll then connect this point together to form the armhole cuff. Like this. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to mark my nipple to nipple measurement divided by 2, which is 4 inches. Then I'll add half an inch to it for stitching. Then I'll mark the same 4.5 on the bust line, but on the under bust I'll mark 4 inches. On the waistline I'll mark 4 inches and the same 4 inches on the hip line. Then I'll connect the points together. Now I'm done connecting the lines together. The next thing to do now is to draw the princess dart cuff, and I achieved that by marking 2 inches on the armhole line, and I'll then connect it with the chest line. Next, I'll mark 2 inches here on the under bust, and on the waistline I'll also mark the 2 inches, the same thing on the hip line. If you have a smaller bust, you can make it of 1.5 inches, but I'll be using 2 inches here. Then you connect the lines like this. To avoid a pointy effect after stitching, I will come down on the bust line by 1 inches. Then I will connect it to the 2 inches point with a French cuff like this. As you can see, the bustier shape is already coming out. Now the next thing I'll do is to come down by 1.5 inch here on the armhole line. Then I'll also come down on the chest line by 1 inch to avoid pointy effects after sewing. Then I will connect the point together with using a French cuff like this. The bustier shape is very obvious now. Very beautiful. Now for my neckline, I will come down by 2 inches to draw a sweetheart neck like this. Now I'll mark out the bust measurement divided by 4, and I will add the allowance here plus the extra allowance for stitching. On the under bust, I will mark out the round under bust divided by 4 plus the 2 inches here, and I also add extra stitching allowance. On the waist measurement divided by 4 plus the 2 inches allowance we took here and extra stitching allowance. And on the hip line, I will mark out my hip measurement divided by 4 plus the 2 inches allowance we took here plus the extra stitching allowance. Then I'll now connect the points together, making use of a ruler. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Now, in order to avoid our darts being kind of short after sewing, we have to replace the 1.5 inch we took here and replace it here like this. Connect the lines like this, and then draw a new armhole curve, connecting it with the actual measurement like this. So that after stitching, everything will be accurate. Now we can now cut. You can watch me as I cut. Please make sure you like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. This is what I have after cutting. Can you see how the darts, the bustier, come out very fine and neat? Now I'm going to use this pattern paper to cut out the fabric. Now I've cut out the bridal fabric I want to use to line the lace, and can you see how neatly cut, beautiful the bustier comes out? Now I have lined the lace material with the bridal I cut earlier, and I've already attached the pad or wording to it. Can you see how it's very beautiful? Now I'm going to stitch together. This is how it looks like after stitching. Wow, this bustier is very beautiful, very perfect. I believe that if you can follow the steps I explained earlier, you are also going to come out with something beautiful like this. Can you see how it comes out very beautiful? And here is the final look. Very beautiful. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.